Oh hey, I might be human, but robots are the future. Hey everybody, what's up and welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I'm your host Kevin. Please do me a favor, everyone out there, if you like these videos, like this one. If you like more than this one, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and you will know when we drop more Good Tech Cheap. Alright, what's up? So today we're going to be talking about an awesome, cool, quiet, versatile, and very effective vacuum from ILIFE. It is called the A11. It is brand new in their series of robot vacuums incorporating all of the latest technology, all of which I will be sharing in detail with you. Oh man, there's a lot of tech packed into this vacuum. That's what you gotta love about cutting edge, brand new debut models. They improve on the track record of the company, and what we have here is Lidar technology built into the vacuum. That's gonna give you a lot of really cool things. The vacuum is able to do 3,000 samples per second. That's right, per second. It has a measuring range at 26 feet, and because of this new Lidar tech, its mapping efficiency as it scans your floors and figures out how to clean is 50% more effective. It also incorporates the CV SLAM algorithm, which is going to make sure you don't miss corners and edges when you get that robot vacuum ready to clean up after you. Yes, you. The new mapping system, also built in, which you control with your app, pretend there's a phone in my hand, is also a lot faster than it used to be, and you can save up to 5 different maps for different layouts in your house. You got a 4,000 PA motor generating all that suction. What does PA stand for? I don't know. Yes, I do. It is the Pascal pressure unit measure that is used for these types of vacuums. 4,000 PA is really strong. You also get 3 power levels. The 5200 megahertz battery provides you with 180 minutes of cleaning. This is over 2 hours worth of cleaning time. And what can you do with all that cleaning time? Well, I'll tell you. You can clean, and they tested this, 2,690 square feet. The average apartment is about 900 square feet. So there you go. You got the built-in 2-in-1 dustbin and water tank, and on top of that you have another special dustbin for those really hardcore jobs. That's a whopping 450 milliliters. The tech in the A11 robot vacuum actually incorporates the kind of motion that you would get with hand mopping to make sure that you get that extra deep scouring and you get rid of all stains. And say you had a bunch of friends over and they made a mess and they did not help you clean up, well, there's an auto boost that automatically detects that extra dirty area and applies extra cleaning to it. There's also technology to make sure that your A11 robot vacuum will not fall off stairs. Guarantee that. It's also built in with anti-collision technology. On the app, the maps are easy to configure, and once again, you can save up to 5 different maps for different cleaning jobs. You got multiple cleaning modes: edge mode, spot mode, and quiet mode. You can schedule when to clean, and every week you can actually get a cleaning update report. And for the app, you can choose when to update it, or you can choose for it to update automatically. Alright, so one thing that I like about this vacuum is that the instruction manual is very straightforward and helpful. You can command everything either from the app or from the remote control, and the cleaning modes are very easy to understand. Maximum power mode, the edge mode, so you actually get those corners, and the path that you can create for your vacuum to clean from one side to the other and everywhere else in between. Right now, we're going to talk about the water tank. And it's right here. Over here is that extra dust tank that we were talking about. We're going to put that aside for now. We're just going to focus on this. Filling it up is easy. Just pop open the spigot hole right here. Turn on the water. Turn on the water. And it goes. Okay, look, I already filled it. Close it up, and then you can actually put it vacuum.
2-in-1 water tank has been installed.
That's right, it has. And here's another really handy accessory. If you want to make sure your floors are getting extra clean, you can see the texture of this. This is actually attached to the bottom of the vacuum, as so, and it will actually scour your floors. So you got the vacuum, and then you got this to leave some extra polish. It feels really good. All right, so check it out. On the bottom of the vacuum is a QR code that you can scan with your smartphone to download the app for the vacuum. Showing it to you now because it's about to get covered by the duster. All you have to do is pinch in the clips, connect it, and now your vacuum with its water tank and duster is ready to perform all sorts of functions. Put that down.
Start charging.
Well, there you have it. We'd like to thank ILIFE for sponsoring this video and showing us the A11 so we could show it to all of you. It mops, it vacuums, it's programmable, it has a long battery life, strong suction power, gets the job done. You like it? Click on that link below to find out more. You like this video? Give us a like. You like Good Tech Cheap? Subscribe and click on that notification bell so you know when we drop another video featuring tech that is good and cheap. From Los Angeles, California, I've been your host, Kevin. Stay safe, be kind, and I'll see you next time.